Alright, go on and look me up. What is up, you guys? I am in the garage putting the engine back together. Just did a lot of work on this car. A lot. Let me show you all what I did. Definitely riding out today. Brake fluid, new reservoir, new brake pump, new gaskets for this and the valve cover, all new oil, new paint job. What else new? New cooling hose, new cooling going in there, new battery post, new battery wires. Pretty much everything on the brand new. Even the things that you use to tie the things together is brand new. See that? See? Brand new. Yep. So this car should purl with no problem. Only thing that's not new is, of course, the alternator, water pump, all of this stuff right here, because it's not bad. So, but the reason I am recording this video today, Mel is about to come pick up the four-wheeler. I don't know if it's junky in here, you guys, but she's about to come pick up the four-wheeler, and I just got some mail. I'm working on a Land Rover right now because we need a truck to carry all our stuff back and forth with a trailer, but my Audi is in the front and I'm about to work on that and put something on it. Because guess what came today? Guess what came? Guess what came? Let me turn this fan off real quick. Guess what came in the mail? Here's the mail. It never fails. It make me wanna wag my tail. When it come, I wanna yell, mail! Ugh. Hey. We got some packages in the mail today. Whoop, 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 whoop. And also this really big box that I'm disappointed because look at this. It's already open. Like, what, Chicago? Y'all mail service is horrible. They definitely porch already open. This is for the Audi. What is it, you guys? What is it? It is a new radiator. I just put a new coolant reservoir on it, but it was still leaking oil, coolant. So I got a new radiator for it. So I'm definitely putting this on today so I can go back to driving. Haven't been driving in like a week in my Audi. But let's see. Let's get to the little packages. Little packages. Let's see what we got. We just throwing the trash on the floor. I gotta sweep anyway. This is from eBay. I've been ordering a lot of random stuff. But it's random stuff that I need. This look like my phone case. Let me sit that right there like it's a little parrot. Yep, my phone case for the bike. Pieces. We gonna figure it out later. It's all falling. We gonna figure it out later. Pieces for the bike. Let's see what else we got. Let's put this up where we're not gonna lose it. What is this? What do we have? Let's see. Ooh, I was just shaking. I need to hit the gym. Supreme. Psych.
Got him.
Supreme Fox or Fox Supreme. This is just regular Fox, but I am getting this Fox Supreme whole joint. You feel me? And it actually do come in a box exactly like this. The Fox Supreme. It probably will say Supreme on it, but the box do look similar to this. And I might use that for clickbait. You feel me? Clickbait. Sorry if you're watching the video, but it is a nice channel. Like and subscribe, you guys. Before I forget, like and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you can see more videos from me. Riding out later on today. Of course I'm riding out. I just got some new goggles. Oh shit. I just got some goggles. I'm keeping this box. Now the actual goggles, you guys. Look inside. Yes, 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 yes indeed. I'm so happy I got these. For one, when I be riding out and I get behind a four-wheeler and they get to going, all of that dirt just in my face. So I got the Bape face mask. I've been had this for like a long time now. Got the Bape face mask. We riding out today. GoPro is coming on our way, so videos quality is not going to be that good. But this is the red and white Fox with the Fox logo on the side. Supreme one is coming on the way. Let me just give you a full view of that sweet boy. I picked red because, you know, my bike is red and it's going to have some red and white prints on it. Stickers. I like how I got the mesh. Let me let the camera zoom. I like how I got the mesh right here, so your face don't be sweating, because you know, like when you're wearing goggles or glasses, your face sweat a lot. I'm back. But yeah, you see how I coordinate. Yes, that's how I be killing them. I don't like wearing stuff to the left, but the full Fox is on this side. It's really not showing on that side, so that's just how we rocking it today. You feel me? That's just how we rocking it today. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna finish working on this car. When I get done, I'm definitely riding out. Boy, you lead me to paradise. We finna ride for a little while. Well, she wanna ride it, but we trying to get it in the truck so we can get it to the birds. Go hit the lakefront while it's early.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
I'll see you later.